I'm a powerful, confident woman and I know what I'm doing. Affirmations can feel really awkward when you're first getting started using them. They're also associated with manifestation, the secret, and a lot of different systems of belief that many of us might deem woo-woo. Whether or not you subscribe to any of those ideas, affirmations are a very practical way for you to reshape the way that you think about yourself and can help you to improve your self-esteem and your confidence. So today we're going to talk about that. We talk to ourselves all the time. What am I going to wear? And it's not always positive. Oh my God, why do you suck? The thing is, the more that we hear these negative messages about ourselves, the more that we believe them.
I guess I do suck.
Affirmations help us in two ways. One, they help us to replace these negative thoughts with positive thoughts and ideas about ourselves. What if you have no idea what you're talking about?
I am a powerful, confident woman, and I know exactly what I'm doing.
Okay. Two, they can actually help us to identify different stuck points that we might not even realize that we have. And I will get into exactly how that works in a second. To get started with affirmations, choose a few to start working with. Now, you will cycle through these as you notice that they start to work. And by notice they start to work, I mean you will notice after some time that your affirmations are actually things that you believe and just kind of take for granted now, which is a beautiful moment because then you know that you've been able to reshape your brain to believe this new thing, which is wonderful. It's then time for you to cycle in a new affirmation at that point. That's in the future. So getting back to now, what you want to do is you want to choose a few different affirmations to start working with. And the way that you do that is you'll want to read through affirmations. I put together a list as a free resource. It's in the description below. So you can click on that link and you can get 100 different affirmations to read through and so that you can do this exercise. You'll look for some sort of reaction as you're reading it. It might be a positive reaction, or it might be a more negative reaction. You might feel some resistance that could come in the form of, that sounds ridiculous. I would never want to say that out loud. Those affirmations that make you feel that sort of sense of resistance or reaction in a negative way are probably going to be the most important affirmations for you to work with. So sure, throw in a few of the positive ones, the ones that make you feel good, but be sure to include the ones that feel awkward, weird, cringy. Those are going to really help you a lot. Once you have a few different affirmations that you want to work with, and you can also throw in some of your own. If you have an area where you know that you wish that you spoke more positively to yourself about, like you wish that you didn't beat yourself up over something in particular, you can just switch that negative belief into something positive. So if you think, man, I wish I was creative, you can just switch it to, I am creative. It sounds silly, but honestly, when you start to say that to yourself over and over and over again, you will start to believe it. It will just naturally come into your head, I'm creative. And that will change the way that you think about yourself. Once you have your list of affirmations, use them every day. Write them down repeatedly. Write them down on a note card or a sticky note. Put it on your mirror or your desk or somewhere that you see often. Say them out loud to yourself. Say them out loud in the mirror. Look at yourself as you're saying it. You want to just start inundating yourself with these different positive messages. That's the way that you can start to shift the way that you think about yourself in these different areas. So that's it. That's the simple, practical way to get started using affirmations. Be sure to grab the list of affirmations as well. That will be really helpful for you in doing this exercise, and you can come back to it later when it's time to cycle in a new affirmation and play around with it. This should be kind of a fun thing. It's supposed to benefit you, so while it might feel uncomfortable, awkward, it should overall be a positive experience for you. Let me know how it goes below, and I will see you all later.